For more than 60 years, Treetop has proudly grown pears and made them into fruit ingredients in the northwestern United States, making them traceable from the orchard to your customer's table. One of our many growers, Stillwater Orchards, has mindfully grown and harvested pears for 5 generations.
Here in the Sacramento River Delta, we're blessed with some of the best soils in California. Silty clay loam primarily. We have kind of the optimum microclimate for pear growing.
Treetop works with growers to get the most out of their pear crop, transforming pears into healthy fruit ingredients people of all ages can enjoy.
For us, Treetop is a very valuable, integrated part of our business.
As a grower-owned fruit cooperative, Treetop has a direct connection to the farmers and the fruit they grow. This ensures our customers get the highest quality, safest, best tasting, locally grown pears.
So my responsibility is to help foster relationships with the growers. And that's our key responsibility, is to make sure that those growers have the things that they need.
I've known Dan for many, many years, and he's become not only a field man to me, but also a friend.
Pears from orchards that aren't the right shape, size, or color for the retail market, commonly known as ugly fruit, are evaluated to determine their best use, and then carefully transported to one of our nearby Treetop facilities, where they are made into nutritious food ingredients.
Treetop operates a number of food plants, and those food plants each do something a little differently. And so we make a determination as to where that particular piece of fruit would be best suited. We may turn it into a juice product, we might turn it into a dried product for bakery applications, and when we determine that, a lot of it starts in the field. So we have to understand exactly what that fruit is going to do and how it will affect our own internal operations. And then that fruit is sent to the facility where we think it would be best utilized.
Here at the Medford plant, we transform pears that are not visually appealing enough for the fresh produce market into delicious purees for use in wholesome fruit products. Treetop employees carefully monitor each step of the pear's journey to ensure food safety and traceability. Everyone from the first set of eyes and hands on the floor to final packaging is committed to making safe products.
We start with the fruit coming in on the trucks, and we grade the fruit, and then we put it to a blend, ensuring that we will meet first-time quality. The fruit is dumped into a dump tank, it's washed, it's then sorted, it goes through a chopping process, and then into a blancher. Once it's blanched, it would go into a finisher, which would make it into a smaller size. It would clean it up as well. From there, it would go to various food safety screens or magnets. From there, it could be evaporated if it's a concentrate, or from there it would go to the pasteurizer and then to the aseptic filler. The evaporator takes the water content out of the fruit, which concentrates it up from a single strength, which is anywhere from 12, 15 brick, up to a 45 brick, depending on what the customer requires.
Our Treetop field representatives send pears best suited for juice concentrates to our Prosser plant. Here, the incoming pears are inspected, tagged, and washed. Then they continue their journey through our processing steps, which are designed to not only provide the safest juice products, but also fit our customers' various needs.
The fruit enters the facility and undergoes a wash and inspection step. From that point, we go through an extraction step that removes the skin and the seeds. We then go through a decanter step that removes the insoluble solids from the soluble solids. At that point, we send it to a concentrator where we remove the essence from the juice. The juice then goes to a microfilter where we get the clean juice look of the concentrate. From there, we send it to our final evaporator where it concentrates the juice. At that point, we can either send the juice out to our large bulk storage room or to our drumming facility. From there, we go out to a refrigerated tank room that holds 12 160,000 gallon tanks and 10 10,000 gallon tanks. With the bulk concentrates, we're able to pull out of multiple tanks in order to meet the specification requirements of our customers.
Knowing that our pears are locally grown and mindfully and sustainably transformed into wholesome, high-quality, great-tasting ingredients is very important to our customers. Across our facilities, we process sustainable, locally grown pears into purees, juice, fruit preps, fruit flake powders, and more. From orchards to your product, our mission is ensuring that your pear product tastes great. Treetop. More fruits, more forms, more possibilities. For additional details or to order samples of our pears or other fruit ingredients, please visit our site at treetopingredients.com.